Hello everyone. Today, as a final assignment, I have a part to read of a book that I really like. It's the introduction only, part of the introduction. The book is called Into Thin Air by the journalist Jon Krakauer. It's a real life event because he was there on May 1996 when the event happened, the tragedy on Mount Everest. At that time was the worst tragedy that happened on the mountain. So this is the book, Into Thin Air. It's a really well written book. It's one of my favorites. So let's begin. Into Thin Air by Jon Krakauer. Introduction. In March 1996, Outside Magazine sent me to Nepal to participate and write about a guided ascent of Mount Everest. I went as one of 8 clients on an expedition led by a well-known guide from New Zealand named Rob Hall. On May 10, I arrived on top of the mountain, but the summit came at a terrible cost. Among my 5 teammates who reached the top, 4, including Hall, perished in a rock storm that blew in without warning, while we were still high on the peak. By the time I had descended to base camp, 9 climbers from 4 expeditions were dead, and 3 more lives would be lost before the month was out. The expedition left me badly shaken, and the article was difficult to write. Nevertheless, 5 weeks after I returned from Nepal, I delivered a manuscript to Outside, and it was published in the September issue of the magazine. Upon its completion, I attempt to put Everest out of my mind and get on with my life, but it turned out to be impossible. So this small introduction of the book is a really good book, and the movie, numerous movies have been made about this book, based on this book, and the latest movie it was made in 2015 and it's called Everest. So if you want to watch it, go ahead. Thank you very much.